If your horn doesn't work and you want to know which fuse, stay with us. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video, guys. If you have a Hyundai Sonata and you're trying to find the fuse for your horn, if the horn doesn't work, check that fuse. If that doesn't fix the problem, we have a special video, the top 3 things that can cause a horn not to work, and you can find it on the channel, or I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Now guys, that should work on generation year 2009 to year 2015 Hyundai Sonata. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, cheap fuses, guys, we're going to share the link in the description of the video below, where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our parts from. Another thing, guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, what's the plan, guys? To make at least 200, guys, free electrical and diagnostic videos that will be shared on this channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we will have more than 300, guys, mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, the whole car apart, and we will show you how to fix pretty much anything. All that will be posted on our main YouTube channel. Okay, it's called How to Repair, guys, right here, guys. We have helped more than 100 million people, so let's go ahead and start on it now. So specifically 2013, guys, Hyundai Sonata that we have right here. Okay, let me see if I go inside now. Okay, let me show you. Let me open the door. I'll get inside and let me demonstrate how the horn doesn't work now. So you're going to come right here, turn the ignition switch on. Okay, lights are on, everything's on. Nothing. So okay, let's go ahead, we'll go outside. Okay, I'm going to turn the ignition off. Always do that. It's even recommended, guys, in some cases, to always disconnect the car battery, okay, when actually you're removing or replacing fuses, so you don't cause damage. And on those modern vehicles, it really matters which terminal you disconnect and reconnect, so you don't cause damage to the engine, computer, power systems, modules, and things like that. So this is the fuse box right here. One tap here, one there. Squish, pull up, flip it. Right here we have the fuse box, you can see, and now we have 2 fuses, guys, that can control the horn. Check both of them. One of them, if you come right here, you have that fuse, it says horn number 15. You have a fuse puller, okay, right there. Grab it, get over the fuse, pull it out, and we'll get a new one, replace it. Okay, that's that 15 amp fuse. Okay, so you have spare fuses right here, okay, that you can get. You can see it says spare. You can get one of those and install it. Now, I'll recommend, guys, to always test your fuse, because in some cases you may not see that it's a bad fuse, and we have a video on the channel that explains how to test the fuse, guys. So it takes only a few seconds, because if you put a fuse back that you thought it was good but actually it's bad, what will happen, you start putting more and more money in your car and time, which is not right, guys. So always test the fuse, always make sure it's good. Also, we have another fuse, okay, right here, EMS. This is another fuse that can control the horn. This is the 40 amp fuse, okay, right here. That's the one I'm talking about. This is the one actually that can control the horn as well. Test it, check it out, make sure it's good and it's not burned as well, this fuse here. So let's see if that fixes the problem now. Okay, perfect. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.